Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the EA app not opening or launching on your Windows 10 or 11 PC. Just follow these steps and you'll be back in your games in no time. Step 1. Change compatibility settings. First, head to your desktop and locate the EA app icon. Right-click on it and select Properties, then go to the Compatibility tab. Make sure Disable Full Screen Optimizations and Run this program as administrator are both checked. Click Apply, then OK. Try launching the app again to see if that fixed it. Step 2. Clear app data folders. If it still doesn't open, press the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog. Type %local app data % and hit Enter. Once that folder opens, scroll down and delete the Electronic Arts folder. Then, find and delete the EA desktop folder as well. Don't worry, these folders will be automatically recreated when you launch the app again. Close the window and try launching the EA app one more time. Step 3. Repair the EA app. Still not working? Open Settings from the Start menu. Click on Apps, then Installed Apps. Search for EA. Click the 3 dots next to the EA app and select Uninstall. But here's the trick. We're not actually going to uninstall it. When the EA uninstall window opens, click on Repair. This will scan and fix any missing or corrupted files. Once it reaches 100%, try launching the app again. And that's it. One of these methods should get your EA app working again. If this helped, leave a like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Drop a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one.